What are the 8 steps to sell your home? Let's get to it. Name is Axel Ziba. I'm with Maxit Realty, and in this video I'm going to direct you toward 8 steps. Number 1, get your home real estate ready. What do I mean is to get your home ready and prepared before listing it on the market. Want to know how to get your home ready and make it perfect? Click the link above. I made another video to direct you on that case. Number 2, photography, videography, virtual tours, 2D floor plans are essential to invite buyers and encourage them to come and visit your home. Number 3, the most important of all, pricing. Axel, I want to price my home for $1 billion. That's not going to happen because buyers are smarter than that. You want to know how to price your home? I made an extensive video because you definitely need to watch this. Number 4 is easy. Now the other 3 are handled. It's just to put on MLS and put a sign in front. Average Joe can do this. Number 5, very important, marketing. Thinking outside the box, and that is where I come in. It's between you and I to discuss my competitive edge. Number 6 is exposure. As a seller, it's your thing to make your home available to the buyers, and it is my thing to expose it to every buyer out there. I'm not gonna put a lockbox on your home. I'm gonna be there to highlight every feature of your home to them. Number 7, negotiation and closing the deal. I think you need me after all. And number 8 is after transaction and after everything is closed and you sold your home. You are the lifeline of my business. My business survived from your referral. Is there a marriage in real estate? I think we're in it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and let me know if there is any topic you want to discuss.